Okay, so this is just a cheesy video for you guys that might want something like this. Okay, so what I use is I use this screencast-o-matic.com, and then I just launched this free recorder. And then it gives you the option to choose. You can do just your screen, you can do just you, or you can do both. So just depending on how you want to do the videos. And then I'm going to really quick show if any of the math teachers want another way that maybe we can take a little bit of the less stress off of our students and allow them to practice quite a bit without tons of work on our end. Okay, so the website is called mathgames.com. And this one's kind of cool because when you get here, you can click on the grade that you want to pick the skill for. And on this one, I teach course 1, so 6th grade skills are the majority of the skills we're working on. Again, if I scroll down, I can go to ratios. That's what our lessons have been on right now. They're working on equivalent ratios. So you can click on it, and then it gives them like a 5-second ad, and then they can skip the ad. It's free, so they can skip the ad. But here's the questions. Okay, and it allows them to practice, and we can see what they're doing. But what's even better than that is you can come down, scroll down on the website and come right here, and we can share it right to our Google Classroom. So if I want to, I can share it with one of my classes as an assignment. So I can choose an action, create an assignment, any of these. So if I create an assignment, then it allows me to assign the points, assign the due date, and now I assign it to them, and now they can get on and do that practice. And it kind of might simplify a little bit of our need to grade, and without interaction, it might allow them to target in on the skill that we give them the video for. Or we can walk through a few of these because they're going to get different questions than the ones that we do. So that was just an idea. If anyone wants, then great. If not, please delete this cheesy video so that no one else has to see it. Thanks. Good luck, you guys.